Hey everybody, this is Tristan, and this is a demo of our new tools for our 1v1 leagues that we built for Maple Leafs Gaming. This is basically the event that we've custom made a Discord bot, a two-directional Discord bot. This two-directional Discord bot will have things that will come from Discord, update the platform, or the platform will update Discord. This is extremely handy for organization. And we're going to show you really quickly some of the amazing tools that we built. So to quick run through of how the Maple Leafs Gaming League event will work this season is there's an open queue between 7 p.m. and 11 p.m. So there's 2 nights of that. Very simply, what you would do is you would push a button to go into the queue. The queue would then wait for some people to get into it, and then it'll match make, and then you'll get an opponent. You play your opponent, you input scores, and then you have a ELO system. So you beat good opponents, you get more points. You beat lesser opponents, you get less points. And throughout that queue time, you can play as few or as many games as you want. And it's actually a really cool system. So I'm gonna show you a couple things. Also understand we also have a version of the mobile app that works as well. And okay, so let's assume that the event is started and the queue is open, and you say, "Hey, I want to play." There are 3 ways to enter the queue. On the mobile app, if you go into the leagues, so you select your league, Maple Leafs Gaming League, you'll see enter games queue. On the website, we got a join games queue, and the very new stuff that we have this event is we have custom Discord commands. So if you type LGL underscore, you're going to get a list of all these commands. We got stats, opponent, queue, standings, and rules. So the one I want to focus on right now is queue. You can push it either here, mobile app, or the Discord. I'm going to push it right here, and it's going to run in the background and create an opponent. In this case, it should have actually found an opponent for me because there's people waiting in the queue. So I want to show you a couple things that just happened. So in the Discord, in the LG platform, the application ran, it found the matches, and the Discord bot then posted the matches into the Discord. So you can see 3 matches were just created. This is 10:17. I just joined the queue. What it'll also do is it'll tag you. So this is really important because all you have to do is be in the Discord. You will get tagged with your opponent as soon as you're ready to go. It'll show things like your opponent's record, your record, this is your ELO points, and a quick link to the game. So if we refresh the site, we'll see that game is right here. Refresh the mobile app, there's that game right here. And either way, you can, once you know your opponent, you can quickly communicate with them and get it started. So I'm going to show you another extremely handy tool we have for the Discord bot is LGL opponent. You select this, and what it's going to do is it's going to search you, connect it back to League Gaming to obviously figure out what Discord it is, and it's going to tell you who your opponent is, give them some brief stats, a link to their LG name. This will go to the LG website, a link to their, in this case it's in the Xbox League, a quick link to their Xbox in case you wanted to go and find that person down, as well as a game link. So this is if you wanted to input stats real quickly or see the full detail of stats that we have. That would essentially go right here, where you would have the input score button right there. So LGL opponent is a nice little tool for helping you schedule with your opponent. So again, very cool stuff. The next one I want to show you is we're going to just input a quick score right here. We're going to say that I won, let's say 4-2, update, and in Discord, every time a game score happens, it'll post it back to the Discord with the updated record, the points, and the tags. This is going to go into the actual results tab. We have an actual test one right now because this is obviously our dev and we don't want people getting tagged for random stuff. But as you can see that this is the multi-directional Discord bot that we built, where the platform is now sending stuff to Discord, or again, you can send stuff back to the platform, which is extremely handy. So let's say I'm finished and I want to join the queue again. I do the LGL queue, add it, and it says success. You have been added to the queue. So you've added yourself to the queue in multiple different ways. Everything does the exact same thing, which is extremely handy. You will get tagged the second the queue matches you up with opponent. So really cool stuff. Here's some other commands that we have. Let's say you want to show standings real quick. LGL standings. This is standings based on you and what league you are in. Because remember, we have a PlayStation League and an Xbox League. So when I did the standings, it tied it back to me, and then it figured out I'm in the Xbox League, and then it gave me my standings, and it shows you where you are based on standings right now. Right now I'm in first, all dev data, ignore all those records. Another cool thing is you can pull up stats for anybody. So let's say I want to say, show me LGL stats for, I'm going to pick myself here. This is a really cool detailed thing where it shows your record, shows your current points, your standings first, your goals for, your goals, goal difference, your last 10, last 5 games, links to those last 5 games. You can see how many points I got for everything, and then again shows standings. So you can really get some really cool stuff here if you're just kind of waiting in the lobby and you're like, hey, show me, what's Odie doing right now? I'm going to search it for Odie. He's currently in 4th place. He won 1 game. He played 1 versus Dangs. Again, this is all dev data. But really, really cool stuff where the Discord bot is going back to the LG platform and returning data for you. The other one I want to show you is we got rules. So if you're like, hey, what are the rules right now? Here's a link to the detailed doc. This has everything like the legal stuff, and the dates, and then quickly the game settings, because a lot of people always want to know the game settings. And I believe that is all the... Yep, that's all the commands we want to do. So the event starts this Monday on this recording. It's a very, very cool event. I think this format where it's an open queue and basically it's completely Discord run. I think this is probably one of the best 1v1 events we've ever come up with, and I think it's going to be a huge success, and I hope you guys enjoy it and look forward to what we're going to be doing in the future. Take care, everybody. Ciao.